How to delete YouTube. Click on the search. Click on the goggle. Click on the URID. Click on the goggle account. Click on the data and privacy. Click on the data and privacy. Click on the YouTube. Click on the delete a service. Click on the enter your email or phone. Click on the next. Click on the enter your password. Click on the next. Click on the delete a service. Click on the YouTube. Click on the delete my account. Click on the mark. Click on the delete my content. Click on the copy your email. Click on the copy. Click on the delete my content.